So here we have the homepage of my website with all the tools at the top, an explanation of the class. We have the learning objectives for the students with the 3 assignments they'll need to complete, and then I have additional information and tools, as well as a way to contact me and a location service down here. So if we go into the Recognizing Emotions tab, I've incorporated here a little introduction with instructions to a video that the students will have to complete a worksheet and look at the video and go along with the quiz that's included in the video. And then we go into the Coping with Emotions section. We have a little overview up here, and then we have directions for a worksheet that will be imported into Notability. You click on this link to download it. I have it pulled up over here, and this worksheet really includes information from the Recognizing Emotions section and carries it over into the next. It's a little transition lesson of how they're going to start coping with their own emotions and recognizing how they feel at certain times. Then we go into the homework section, which I haven't included yet, but there will be a bingo game that will be done in class and then taken home. It's an electronic bingo game that will include the student acting out emotions and then recognizing emotions acted out in other people, which will be really helpful for transitioning and incorporating both sections. Then I have study tools, which have not been included yet, but there will be a picture Quizlet, there will be a video that I make, and even an interactive watching an episode of a show where they have to recognize emotions in other characters. They'll have certain pause spots and things of that nature with tools and directions there. Then I incorporated a slide for parents, and it has a little bit of directions down there. I have an article here linked to why this lesson is important, talking about facial motion recognition and why it's important for autism spectrum disorder. Then I'll have an assignment overview, I'll have parent tools for helping to teach their child at home, and then I have an article about, again, why it's important to teach these tools, and also how they can teach these tools best, and incorporating it into real-life situations because that's what parents deal with every day. So overall, the website flows very easily, it's easy to update and change, and really make fit each student's needs.